There we go.
So tell me what's going on here, Ryan.
We have this reading from one of our digital output pins, and what's happening is we're actually using the analog output function to output a voltage. What you normally see on a voltmeter is you see some kind of stationary static voltage, but that's actually not what's going on inside of the Arduino. What's actually happening is it's using something called PWM, and it's outputting this square wave here, so that when I adjust what the output is, you change the period of the wave. And if you look here at the mean output voltage, it kind of averages over time so that you can actually change the voltage that a voltmeter would see. But in reality, you still have the same amplitude of about 5 volts. And again, all you're changing is the period. And we're just using an oscilloscope to look at this right now.
Okay, so it shows up as 5 volts when it's high all the time and as 0 volts when it's low all the time.
Yeah, so this is
And
high all the
somewhere
time.
in between.
And then somewhere in between. So that's about 3.3 volts mean average output. And if I turn it down to 0, it registers an output of only a few millivolts.
Okay, and how did you get it to display so nicely on the digital scope?
So the digital scope is really nice. It's a lot easier to use than the analog scope. All we did was we plugged in our positive lead into the output pin of our Arduino, the black output lead into the ground, and we pressed the auto set button right here, and it magically gave us something useful.
Okay.
It was really easy.
Can you press auto set and we'll see what happens?
All right, so I'm going to turn this above 0 for a sec, and then if I press auto set,
It goes away and thinks.
and there you go. Your waveform's there, and it's nice, and you can see what's going on.
Okay, and how did you get a hold of this digital scope?
You talk to Roy.
Talk to Roy.
Talk to Roy. He will
Good
hook you
plan.
up.
Awesome. Thanks, Ryan.